Hello everyone, it's QueenVLion back to you with another video. This video pertains to New York Attorney General A.G. James as she files a motion for a preliminary injunction seeking to stop ongoing fraud to preventing the twice impeached one-term grifter Donald Trump from moving assets from New York to Delaware to evade liability and appointing a monitor to oversee financial disclosures. A.G. James is seeking several measures to stopping the twice impeached one-term grifter Donald Trump and his organization from ensuring funds are available to satisfy any disgorgement award, including prohibiting the Trump organization from transferring any material assets to any other entity without court approval, meaning the Trump organization wants to move their assets to Trump Organization 2 in Delaware. As you may know, A.G. James filed a lawsuit in September against the twice impeached one-term grifter Donald Trump, his adult children, and the Trump Organization by cheating lenders and others with false and misleading financial statements. A.G. James also sent a criminal referral to the IRS and the U.S. prosecutors in Manhattan. Now you will watch this brief news clip and I will be back with more commentary.
Assets to his new company. He incorporated Trump Organization 2 the same day James sued the original Trump Organization for fraud. Officials argue the move is an attempt to protect assets.
And to talk about this, CBS News investigative reporter Graham Cates is here with us in Studio 57. Graham, good morning. Good to see you. Glad to have you with us. So what does this all mean exactly? What is the Attorney General worried about here that the Trump Organization may be doing with this new company?
Well, so the thing that they say they suspect is that this new company, which was set up in Delaware and not New York, and registered in New York the very day that the Attorney General sued the Trump Organization. And what they say is they're worried that they're going to start moving assets in a way that will prevent the state from recovering what they're asking for, which is significant. Remember, they're suing.
It's the white privilege for me. Trump is under investigation and having a current lawsuit. In his mind and the organization's mind, they thought they could transfer assets from one state to another and that no one would notice, especially the New York Attorney General of New York, who just announced a civil lawsuit against you, your children, and your organization. Make that make sense. This twice impeached one-term grifter truly believes he is above the law. And because the AG is not playing with Trump and his organization nor his children, he is trying to find ways to undermine, dismiss, disregard, and cause chaos in this ongoing case. Now you will watch another brief news clip and I will be back with more commentary.
New York Attorney General Letitia James, the state plans to fast-track its civil lawsuit against Trump, the Trump Organization, and 3 of his children. James, who's accused the Trumps of fraud, wants a trial to start before the end of 2023, citing a, quote, ongoing scheme. The expedited timeline could have massive ramifications for Trump's expected 2024 presidential run, also casting a shadow over that run, the Justice Department's investigation into the classified documents retrieved from Trump's home. Yesterday, the DOJ asked a court to speed up its appeal of the appointment of a special master, claiming the process is slowing down its criminal investigation. And breaking just hours ago, we learned that the National Archives believes it doesn't have all the records it should have from the Trump administration. In a letter that was sent to Congress, the head of the archives wrote, "We do not have custody of everything we should." Now, theoretically, that means Trump's still committing a crime right now as we speak. And a new report from the folks at Just Security show from publicly available DOJ documents, Trump legal briefs, social media posts, and news reports that Trump knew he was doing something wrong by retaining those documents. Their bottom line, quote, the record as a whole points to Trump's culpability. And here's some broader context for you. Trump has now been credibly accused of committing at least 55 criminal offenses since he launched his first campaign for president back in 2015, according to a new ethics report from Crew.
As this case and others move forward in the judicial system, do not be surprised if Trump continues to use these rallies and his social media app to cause chaos and confusion. I would not be surprised if Trump releases a statement against AG James because he lashes out on persons who hold him accountable for his actions and his misrepresentations of assets. I need persons to understand how serious this case is. And I hope that the courts listen to AG James and hold the twice impeached one-term grifter accountable for his misleading financial representation. Protect AG James. I want us to be safe out here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.